In this method, we have to find out the square roots of the following numbers by prime factorization method. And here, before starting the solution, let us define what is a prime factorization. Before that, we define what is a prime number. And we define a prime number as a number which has no factors other than 1 and itself. Or in simple form, a number is said to be a prime number which is divisible by only 1 and itself. Let us take the example. Here we have 2, 5, 7 and we have 2 has 2 times 1. So 2 is divided either by 2 or by 1. Therefore, a prime number has two factors, that is 1 and other is the number. And here we have the definition. A number which has no factors other than 1 and itself is called a prime number. And we have a list of prime numbers starting from 2. After that, we will define factorization as writing a number as a product of its factors. If we take 6, and 6 can be written as 2 times 3. That means 6 is expressed as product of its factors 2 and 3. Prime factorization is a method in which we express a given number as a product of its prime numbers. And here we have the definition. Let us take example. Here we have the number has 729, and here it is a method in which a given number is expressed as a product of numbers that are prime. And we have the list of prime numbers, and we expressed a given number as product of prime numbers. And on the right side, we carried out continued division, that is prime factorization, and express the number as product of prime numbers on left side. First of all, we question ourselves, is 2 goes in 729? No, 2 does not go in 729. Then we see, is 3 goes in 729? Yes, it goes. 3 times 243 is 729. So we write 729 as 3 times 243. Coming to next. Here again we question ourselves, is 2 goes in 243? No. Then we see for 3, yes, 3 goes in 243. 3 times 81 is 243. Therefore, we write this factor, that is 3, as it is, and 243 is expressed as 3 times 81. And then we take this 81 and we see that is 2 goes in 81? No. And then we look for 3. Yes, 3 goes in 81, and 3 times 27 is equal to 81. So we write 3 times 3 as it is, and then express 81 as product of 3 and 27. That means 81 is written as 3 times 27. And then we take this 27 and we see that Is 2 goes in 27? No. Then we take 27 and 3 and question ourselves, is 3 goes in 27? Yes. 3 times 9 is 27. So we again write its factors as it is. Here we have 3 times 3 times 3, and then we express 27 as 3 times 9, and we carry the same procedure for 9. 2 does not goes in 9, so here we take 3 and 3 goes in 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore on left side we write the factors as it is, that is 3 times 3 and 3 and then 3, and here we write 9 has 3 times 3. Thus we can see that we get all factors as prime numbers, and on left hand side we have 720 and on left hand side we have 729 as the product of prime numbers. So we can write 729 as the product of 3 times 3 and then 3 times 3 times 3 times and 3. After writing the given number as product of prime numbers, then we have to group the pair of same numbers. Here we have 3 and 3, so we pair up, and here also we have same numbers, so we pair up these numbers, and from this pair we will take one number and multiply. Therefore from this pair we take 3, and in the second pair we have 3, and in the third pair we take 3, and this gives the square root of 729. Therefore the square root of 729 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, that is equal to 27. Therefore it is simple to find out the square root of any number by the method of prime factorization.